it's modern or relevant. So, I come to Newstate, I've got a bachelor's in biology, I have a master's in biology, and, did my PhD studies in higher education administration, all in the traditional college environment, which meant that I was often presented with curriculum that was probably the same from 5 years before or 10 years before from past students who had taken those courses, tried and true topics and perspectives on the topics that I was learning. And I think that is reflective of the way higher education was done back then. And my experience with Newstate has been a lot more modern and timely. Yes, the traditional information is being presented in these courses that you would find in a traditional MBA course, but it's being presented through the lens of modern uses, both in business practices as well as with technology. So the infusion of AI into how the curriculum is presented, but also how the concepts are leveraged in real business scenarios is more up to date and more relevant than other courses that I've taken.